welcome to Naturaliss Jamaican Home Cooking. Alright, this week I'm going to be doing oven jerk chicken. I'm at 1,000 subscribers, right? So I just want to say thanks to everybody who made it possible. Alright, remember to like, share, comment and subscribe for more videos. Tell a friend to tell a friend and another friend to tell a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend and a friend, and then another friend. Come make we bubble apart. So we have our pork right here. Right, I don't eat pork, but I'm going to just jerk this in the oven for the channel purpose. Alright. So first we're going to half cook this for about 30 minutes. So we have our pork half cooked, right? So we have our Walker's Wood jerk seasoning, hot and spicy, right? Not sponsored by Walker's Wood. So we're going to add 1 tablespoon of Walker's Wood jerk seasoning. We're going to add some salt, not much, just a pinch of salt. Right. So we have our ginger. We're going to add our ginger as well. So we're going to scrape the ginger. Right. After we finish washing our ginger, we're going to grate our ginger. So we're going to stir this up. So cover this up and let it marinate for about 30 minutes. Right? Some people will let it marinate overnight, but I don't have that time right now, so marinate for 30 minutes. Preheat the oven at 140 degrees Celsius. Add the pork and the foil paper. Pork is small. This was meant for stew, but I'm going to just use it as a jerk. The jerk pork is ready, right? You know, look at that brown color, smelling nice, you know. Even though I don't eat jerk pork, it's tempting. going to do now, I'm going to cut up our cucumber and our tomato, right, for the presentation. For the display, I have some Cal's tomato ketchup, not sponsored by Cal's, so I'm going to use this for the display. Alright.